Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're covering Terrestrial Energy Inc., ticker IMSR, a key player in advanced nuclear with its integral molten salt reactor technology. As of January 6, 2026, IMSR is trading around $14.82, up roughly 18% today on extremely heavy volume of over 12 million shares. The catalyst. Earlier this morning, Terrestrial Energy announced a non binding memorandum of understanding with a major U.S. hyperscaler to evaluate deploying IMSR plans for carbon free power supply to next generation data centers. This aligns perfectly with the surging demand for reliable, high capacity energy to support AI infrastructure growth. Analysts are highlighting the deal as validation of IMSR's Generation IV design advantages: enhanced safety, lower costs, and fuel flexibility. IMSR is a higher risk, higher reward name in the nuclear renaissance theme. Keep it on your radar. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. If this quick update was helpful, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids, and drop your thoughts on nuclear energy stocks below. See you in the next one. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. Love and peace.